in the 7 seas is that thing?
Looks like some sort of cube.
Well, ain't no Neo Cube, that's for sure.
Yeah, Neo cubes are magnetic. Oh, that's a Fidget cube.
Wait, you mean it spins around? No, that's a fidget spinner. A fidget cube has one of those doodads and gizmos and stuff.
That's right, Billy. Interesting. Yep, I'm tweeting this.
Well, it's a nice looking item, but I don't think it does much.
Good point. Yeah, but who knows?
Yeah, might do something one day. You mean like a remote control? Well, something like that. Ah, okay.
Well, let's not talk about it anymore. Let's just go on with our day.
Good idea.
Yeah,
On it.
it's too cold though.
I'll get a towel.
Okay, Uncle. So, what's going on with you? Oh, I'm just going with the flow. Okay then. Hi, Daisy. So, you doing anything tonight? Well, I'm not quite sure.
Wow! What the heck? Wow! Wow! What the? Wow!
What is going on?
I don't know.
I totally...
Agreed. Wait, what the? My voice changed.
Did it really?
Yeah,
Now you sound like Darth Vader.
I am your father. Yeah, that is clever, isn't it?
Yeah. Just like the chipmunks. That's actually clever.
Agreed. Oh, good. My voice is back.
Thank goodness.
Yeah.
What's that you're holding, sis? Oh, it's one of those thingamajigs.
Fidget cubes?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, those things are a hit alongside fidget spinners.
you got that right. So that's what that fidget cube does. That's silly.
It's okay, Daisy.
At least you get to do one of those movie references.
Yeah.
So that's where I put that fidget cube.
Wait, are you telling me that fidget cube is yours?
Yep.
Aw, dog, why'd you leave that behind?
You know how small it is. Well, it's not too small.
Yeah, it's a little bit bigger.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Uh-huh.
Why'd you call yourself crazy?
Because Daisy was controlling me with that thing.
Yeah, it was hilarious. Kind of like you how control all of us, Eddie.
Wait, how is he controlling all of us if he's way over there? Easy. Individual screenshots.
Yeah, it happens all the time with all our videos. Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, what a way to break the fourth wall, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, Daisy. Where can I get one like that?
Maybe somewhere at Walmart. Yeah, maybe.
Let's go find out. Good idea.
Let's roll.
I guess I get the old saying. Everybody gets one.
Yeah.
Let's go tag along. What do you say?
Alright.
The Edmeister is a part of a Chop Splitter production.